Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Amara's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious hamburger at home. So easy, so simple that you can put this together in a little amount of money and a little amount of time. So guys, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscription button. Of my returning subscribers, thank you all so much. So guys, stay tuned, let's get started. First of all, I'll be adding some egg to my hamburger. So I'll go ahead and add some little butter. So after adding the butter, I'll go ahead and add some kind of egg shaper or whatever you call this. Then I'll go ahead and crack in 2 eggs. I'll be using 2 eggs. You can use 1 egg depending on how much hamburger you're making. So once I add that 2 eggs, I'll go ahead and cover this up and let it simmer on a very low heat until the egg is cooked. So while the egg is cooking, here I have my my grind meat. So I'll go ahead and season this up with my seasoning. Feel free to use any seasoning of your choice, but I'm using my own favorite seasonings. I'll mix this up until everything is well combined together. Then I'll be making my patties. Meanwhile, checking on the egg. So it's cooked right now on one side. I'll go ahead and take it out of the ring. So I'll do that by just using my spoon to push gently down until I have all of it removed from the ring. So once I will have all of them removed, I will go ahead and flip them over so the other side will as well cook for about 2 to 3 minutes to be sure that everything is properly cooked. So here is my cast iron, yeah. So my grilling cast iron to be precise. So I'll go ahead and add a little bit of butter, and once the butter warms up, I'll put my hamburger patties. Yes, I make them in a round fine shape. You can make yours to whatever shape you feel like, but this is the regular shape it should be. So I'll cook that on 3 to 5 minutes until it's well cooked. So here is my egg is ready. I'll go ahead and take that off the stove and place it on a plate and set it aside. So here is my hamburger. It has been cooking for 5 minutes. I'll go ahead and flip that over to the other side. I'll do the same on both hamburgers, and I'll place my iron cast metal on that to give that a very fine shape or fine lines. I love those lines. So here are my mixtures. I'm adding some black pepper, some paprika, some mayonnaise, some chili powder, and the yellow mustard. Here is everything mixed up properly together. I also added some black pepper, so I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. So I'll set that aside. Here I'll go ahead and toast my bread. You can toast your bread if you want, or it's optional. You can skip that part if you don't want your bread toasted. So here is my hamburger is done. The meat is done. I'll place some cheese over that. And it's time to go ahead and assemble everything together, the best part of it. So here is my toasted bread, and the next I'll go ahead and rub in the mixture, the sauce or the mayonnaise, you know, all the stuff that I mixed up together. I'll go ahead and spread that properly on the breads. So here we are, the last one. So the next part, you can add this in any order you want. So I added mine first. The first thing I added was the lettuce. Then I add the onions. Like I said, you can add this in any order you want. It doesn't really have to be in any particular order. So I added the tomatoes as well. Then I'm adding my cheeseburger and the egg. I split the egg into two. I'm adding half on this and half on that. So because I'm making two hamburgers, so that's why I'm using two eggs. If you're making just one hamburger, you can just use one egg, but it depends what you want to do, guys. So I added some pickles. I'm adding some jalapenos. So I added some jalapenos first, then pickles over the jalapenos. So on this one, I'm doing two double deckers hamburger. Yes, double hamburgers on one of them, and the other one is just single one. So I'm adding ketchup to one and I'm not adding ketchup to the other one. So you can do this whichever way that pleases you. Yes, this is your hamburger. You do whatever you want. So guys, this is what it looks like. So amazing. So, and it tastes so delicious, guys. So this is it. Looks so good. Yep. I kind of wonder, how can you take a bite of this thing? It's like about 6 inches or even more than 6 inches. The height, look at that. The height is way too much. So guys, this is just optional, just to hold the hamburgers together from flying all over the place. So I just put in a stick of scaleware. Like, you can use your toothpick, like regular toothpicks, to put in it, but this is way taller than toothpick size. Yeah, so that's why I'm using the scaleware, the stick, to put in that. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe today. I hope you find it so interesting, and I hope you give it a try. If this is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing. Click on that subscription button and turn on the notification bell as well. And the last but not the least, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yeah guys, so I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.